Look. If I see it, I'm afraid to step into the jungle. It hasn't been properly. Look. Oh my goodness. Maybe I'm gonna have to get closer. Let's see here. Maybe that little shortcut through there around the cactus, and it's a shorter distance. That one will be number 1, 2, 3. This will be 4. Oh, how pretty. Let's go around and look. Oh, look, guys. These are getting ready to bloom too. I think those over here are bigger than this one. And those probably won't ever bloom. They look like they should. They got enough leaves coming off of it. I think it gets blocked from that, which, as far as I'm concerned, that could go away. And my cactus blooms almost every year now. Oh, what a mess. Oh, jeez. Can you see it? Well, I had a heart attack. Can you see it right there? I thought it was a snake. And there could be one. I'm gonna throw out limbs while I'm here. Oh, threw it right in the cactus. I need to cut that red bud out because it's too close to my pond if I ever redo this. Oh, how pretty. Here we go, guys. I'll try to get pictures all around it. Oh, it's so pretty. Number 4. Y'all, I was so excited that this one here is blooming, and I'm pretty sure it's the Country Girl one that I bought. I'll try to remember what video that was on and put a little snippet or something. I'll show you guys anyway. And then I come around to go get my tweezers to go cut on another one that, you know, was spent, and I look down. Look, it bloomed down here. So he's gonna have to get cut because the wind got him. And then there's another, see this little whoop, I don't know what he's doing, but it's gonna have a big old bloom on it too. So let's go get the tweezers and make a bouquet. I don't even know if we have enough. It may just be him. I hate to cut them when they first start blooming. I just like to trim off the old spent blooms. So we'll see what we get. Let me get a vase and clippers. Guys, I was looking at this when I cut him off. So I cut him off. So this one little group right here is just one. That one might be part of it. It's hard to tell. But it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Yeah. Yeah. And it looks like one tried to start right here. And it might. But, yep. I didn't know about this one that fell down. And then I'm thinking I'm going to cut this one because he's pretty floppy. And it's going to be a big flower. I don't know. Maybe we'll see. We got some more rain coming too. Alright. There he is. Well, let's go see if we can make a small bouquet. And then trim up. I just used these. I don't know where I got them I'll look it up and see if I can put a link down below. I don't have an Amazon shop yet. I gotta have so many people buy stuff with my links before they let me have a shop. But I'll look it up, see if I can find one like it. And then I use a bigger one on the stocks. But I don't... that may do it. I'm gonna try it. So I don't have to carry around this. I'm gonna use this little one. We'll see. I think I can spare a few. It's got so many. I need to cut that tree out. Some of these little trees that start growing, I gotta get some bigger than those black ones. I don't think I can, this is what I like to do if I have nothing better to do. Oh look, here's a single one we can take. Let's see. Sorry, you couldn't see that, but I left pretty long. We'll start a pile because I got lots of those colors. They get really tall. Get out here and get rid of all these leaves before the next rain. These are really good to get in between there. I usually just am too lazy, but I think it's a prettier. And this one, look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're just little baby ones. They're pretty. Don't get me wrong, this one's got 4 on it right here. Let's take this one in. And then it'll bloom. I mean, guys, look how long these are. I can't even hold the camera out back enough. They're over 2 feet, I bet. But we put it right here in front of our propane. Kind of hide it. So guys, I didn't realize this was, just ignore that rip chair. I'm gonna do something with that. I just realized this is number 5. Because it's actually boomed. I was going to videotape that one is going to be another 5. But actually, his little brother beat him to it. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, in the sunlight. Let's see if we can move it over here. Look how pretty. Look at the purple. Look at the purple. Alright, I'll get some pictures. While we're here, let's check out the garden. One of these days, guys, this will be all pretty. We hope. I need my other trimmers now. Look. Zucchini looks better. Lettuces. Brussels sprouts. I don't see any sunflowers yet. I don't think. Nope. Not yet. Even all the ones I threw back down here. I gotta figure out what to do about the squirrels, guys. I don't know how he's probably jumping from the tree. I need to weed. I don't see nothing. Onions look good. See, he's been digging down here. See it? How am I going to keep a squirrel out of my garden? I want something in my walkway so bad. All these look good. I have onions, guys, and zucchini, 2 plants, and lettuce, and Brussels sprouts. That's it. That's all I have. I was trying to do the rotation thing, so we don't have any. Maybe we can do okra over there. See, I got onions over there too. We'll see. I don't see any sunflowers. I was going to check because of all that rain. But we'll see. We need to go back out there with these. Oh, these smell good. Oh. That one is just fine right there. We're going to cut these out. Nope. Make sure you don't let leaves or the blooms hit the water in there, guys. There's more out there, but I'm gonna let them do what they're gonna do. Sometimes, guys, I just turn one of those 10 buckets over and put my scraps in there and throw up there in my compost. There we go. See? I'm sure I will add to it, especially if the wind comes up when these big blooms. That one's not that big, but that one, number, what was it, 4? She's 5. Oh, I got number 6. She has opened, but she hasn't uncurled. She hadn't uncurled like this. So, number 6 will be tomorrow. Check it out. On my shorts, I do it every day. Y'all, this iris is amazing. I don't know if you can see how many buds it has on it. And it's so pretty. Let's see if we can, I mean, you know, I already cut one off. There's that one that was leaning over. And look at all the flowers. I guess I'll get to enjoy it for a while. They're so pretty. I said that one just straightened up today because it was curled last night. So that will be, this is number 6. And these won't be far behind. Those are they're purple on the edges and they're white. They're really pretty. I was wondering if they were going to bloom. So this is number 6. And you guys, I think this one over there looks a lot like it, but it bloomed out. We're going to take pictures side by side, but I actually think that one's different. So let's go over there. Yes, it is different. Okay, so that was 6, so this will be 7. It's a little bit smaller, too. But yeah, it's kind of a, come on, focus. And then it's, didn't want to focus. Yeah, it's kind of a more of a peach. It still hadn't opened in the middle. I can't see, it's so tight. I can't see what color it is. Looks like it's yellow. Pretty pretty. So this is number 7. I gotta sneak in my peony bloom first time. This one here. Wish you had smell-o-vision. You know they smell wonderful. And the ones up in my garden area up there, there's 2 bushes that both of them are getting ready to bloom. I'm definitely going to cut them and bring them in there. Oh, they smell wonderful. Boy, this one's really pretty. Look, look, a double bloom. Well, it's 2 different, but look. Love that. Love it. I think that's the same color. Look at my pepper plant. Look how good it's doing. Okay, Where are we headed? Oh, yeah. So that was, oh gosh, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was 7. Getting to the point. Forget. This is 8. Look, guys. These have never bloomed. Oh, how pretty. There's how big they are. Next to my hand. They're not real tall. It's got that little short popcorn top. I call it that. That's pretty. I think that's what all these are. All these are. This is the purple with the white. And these are all, I think, yellow. Little tiny. They're the same as over there. And that used to not get enough sun, but that tree died. So it's getting more sun. Maybe they'll bloom. These are yellow. Little light. Real light yellow. Okay. So we're 8, right? 6, 7, yes. Number 8. We had a lot bloom today. 1, 2, 3. 3 bloomed in one day. And I don't, there were some of them purple ones down there may be bloomed tomorrow. I'll bring you back. Alrighty guys, this has been a couple days later. And we have multiple beautiful flowers. And we got more coming on this one for sure. Well, I'm going to try this with one hand and see if I can cut one of these off. Because, you know, I got 4 right there. There's one over there. Take them inside, put in the bouquet. Just maybe one. But, this may be fun. Because I only have 2 hands, so we're going to see if we can, oops, sorry. I think what I was wanting to say is, see, I'm going to do this right here. It's going to disappear, I hope. Oh. Guys, this peony I planted is newer than, I've got 2 over there in my little area. And they are not bloomed yet. But this thing lives next to, what do you guys think that is? I think it's helping it. Look how big it got. And it's got 4 blooms on it. And the other ones haven't even bloomed yet. And this one is new. So I really believe. And I have taken this and put it in places to help fertilize. So, and this thing, you know, the upside down flower over there. Yeah, well, that's this one too. This one is so much bigger than what's over there. So, this guy helps everybody. Love it. Let's keep finding flowers. Just out here relaxing and Jim mowed our yard. Looks beautiful. And he decided to go up and fill up the deer feeder. All filled up. He does that because if there's a dominant one, they stay right underneath, so he puts it out so others can eat.
One of them sneezed.